Hello guys, welcome to Revenge Races. My name is Om Pandey and recently we visited Auto Expo 2018 and in this video we're going to talk about the Aprilia section. There were a lot of bikes from Aprilia, new bikes from Aprilia actually, and here are some of these bikes. Have a look. All these bikes were looking really awesome, but today we're going to talk about two bikes that are really the hot topic in India. One is Aprilia RS 150 and other one is Tuono 150, and we'll talk about both the bikes in details. And so here we are. Aprilia RS 150 is launched in the most competitive section, that is 150cc, and it is in direct competition with R5. Now I'll tell you why. So this bike comes with an engine of 150cc and one cylinder engine. It has 6 transmissions. Now the maximum power generated by this bike is 18 horsepower at 10,000 rpm and maximum torque is 14 Nm at 7500 rpm. Now if we talk about the looks of the bike, it looks absolutely insane. Like for a 150cc bike, it is very well designed, and it totally looks like it has been designed by Aprilia. Now let's talk about the brakes. In front we have a disc of 300mm and in rear we have a disc brake of 218mm, and it also comes with ABS as a standard. Though this bike is not launched in the market yet, however it is expected to arrive in India around in the end of this year, 2018. And since it's in direct competition with R15 version 3, I think the prices of the bike will somewhere be around 1,30,000 or 1,40,000 next showroom. Not bad price for this bike. According to me, it looks slightly better than R15 version 3. I'm not saying R15 version 3 looks bad, but this definitely looks better than R15 version 3. But R15 version 3 has some advantages over it, which we'll not talk about in this video. Now the other bike that we're going to talk about is Aprilia Tuono 150cc. So this is again the same engine with same power, 18 horsepower and 14 Nm torque, and it's almost the same specification when it comes to the engine. However, this is kind of an adventure bike and will be more suitable for long rides. Again, this bike will be launched almost at the same price, I guess around 1,30,000 or 1,40,000, and it is also expected to arrive in India around in the end of 2018 or maybe early 19. So this is it guys, so stay tuned to our channel. We are going to put a lot more videos about the bikes that we saw in Auto Expo 2018. Please subscribe this channel to make sure you don't miss any video. Thank you so much.